Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. His simplicity gave him favour. May 5th. Christ the perfect pattern for youth. And Jesus increased in wisdom and stature and in favour with God and man. Luke chapter 2 verse 52. It was the simplicity of the life of Christ and his freedom from pride and vanity that gave him favour with God and man. He did not seek to attract attention for distinction. The life of Christ was passed in simplicity and purity. His wisdom was great, but it was childlike and increased with his age. His childhood possessed a peculiar gentleness and marked loveliness. His character was full of beauty and unsullied perfection. In the life of Christ, we see the only safe pattern for all children and youth. When children are disposed to rebel against parental authority, they are condemned by the life of the Redeemer, who was himself once a child and obedient to his parents. In what marked contrast is the character of children now. The majority of children live for their own pleasure, for the purpose of display. Some try to make brilliant speeches that they may attract notice. Some seem to think that their worth will be estimated by their appearance. They are very precise in their dress and devote much time and means for display that they may attract attention, while they do not find time for and have any interest in secret prayer. They neglect the inward adorning, the ornament of a meek and quiet spirit, which the apostles tell us is of great price in the sight of God. Wealth and dress are so common that while they may excite envy, they cannot command true respect and admiration. A cultivated mind, adorned with the grace of meekness and humility, a pure and upright heart, will be reflected in the countenance and command love and respect. If the youth would become strong in mind, pure in morals, firm in spiritual power, let them follow the example of Jesus in his simplicity, in his submission to parental restraints. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.